Hello, social media friends. I'm Viridiana Marquez with DRB Media Communications Digital News, and Danny Barrera has the story.
The Midland County Drug Court held the 2020 Adult Felony Drug Court graduation on Tuesday, October 20th. The Midland Drug Court was established in 2018 by Midland County to serve the needs of individuals charged with crimes related to substance abuse disorders.
We have 27 graduates who we will be celebrating completing the requirements of two of our courts, the Adult Felony Drug Court and the Transitional Treatment Court.
The Midland County Drug Court is a non-adversarial approach to the criminal justice system that brings together a team of professionals that include probation officers, counselors, prosecutors, defense attorneys, and law enforcement.
This program in particular was the product of pushing from our district attorney, who was determined to get one here because of the effectiveness of specialty courts or drug courts. We're different, we work differently, and because of that we have a success rate unlike any other court.
The Adult Felony Drug Court is a 14th-month minimum program focusing on high-risk, high-need, substance-addicted offenders who have previously failed a typical probation and focuses on rehabilitation.
So it's an application process. They have to want to be in the court. It's a voluntary program. And so they apply, we do assessments to make sure that they meet our criteria as far as addiction level. We want pretty high addiction. We also want high risk. So we don't want your teenager with a little bit of pot in their pocket first time. That's easy. We want the high risk, high need.
Joe Snow, a graduate from the Adult Felony Drug Court, could have spent 10 years in prison. Joe sees his experience with the Midland County Drug Court as a gift.
You know, I started the program, I want to say it was March of 2013, and then I graduated this year. So you have to report once a week, court once a week, you have 4 classes a week, and you have to attend other meetings as well.
Joe's path to addiction started at a very early age.
Man, I had my first cigarette when I was 7 years old. I drank my first beer at the age of 5. So, you know, as a kid, I never really felt like I fit in anywhere. And drugs and alcohol gave me the ability to feel superior. You know, they gave me a place to, like I belonged. And, you know, I think I was using cocaine on a regular basis at the age of 15. So I've been struggling with addiction since pretty much my whole life. I've been sober now since 11/22/18 was my sobriety date.
Joe's goal is to stay sober and help others overcome their drug and alcohol addiction.
Well, you know, I'd like to say my plan is to stay sober. I plan on to continue doing what I'm doing and working with other addicts and alcoholics and help those that are out there. You know, there's nothing more enjoyable than sitting down with somebody that's going through it and being able to share where you've come from to help them. That is what I live for today, is to be, you know, that and a good father, you know, to my children.
For DRB Media Communications Digital News, Danny Barrera.
Thank you for following us on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Also at DannyVisionEntertainment.com. For DRB Media Communications Digital News, Viridiana Marquez.